abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Welcome, guys, to Enkundleni Exclusive, a space where we talk about issues that matter. We talk about bold ideas. We discuss them right here. Brought to you by Deb3 Events, your trusted partner when it comes to sound and media solutions, be it corporate events, be it social events, be it weddings, Lobola Day, even Lama Church, guys. Just get in touch with Deb3 Events for your events planning using the details akhona lapho ku screen sakho. My name is Nondit Zongube. I am the host. Ngihamba lo General Leslie as usual.
Yeah, you as usually. Salwani Magadili Njani. Yeah, this is General Leslie once more. Tiniwe very so spirit, but it's okay. It's none of my business. Yeah, Konok. But this episode is powered by Okuhle Designs, like I always say. Mawufuna izinto ezinhle, hamba Okuhle. You go to into ezinhle. So for all your graphic designing, poster printing, banners, marketing, branding, I can mention just a few. Visit Okuhle Designs Katesi and make yourself beautiful moments through Okuhle Designs. We are here. We are back again. Enkundleni Exclusive. And thank you so much. Nyawabona ma comments ku Facebook, nyawabona ma comments ku TikTok, nyawabona ma comments ku YouTube. I know. Siyabonga. Keep following, keep sharing, keep liking, invite more people to watch Enkundleni Exclusive. And also, like I always say, contact us for issues that you want us to talk about. And we are going to try our best to bring out the best from what you have given us as the best.
Speaking of you being exhausted, you were so energetic, so energetic. I'm actually surprised. Uti wena udiniwe. And also, speaking of memories, creating memories, Deb3 has got a photography studio, photography services.
Yeah.
So if you need ukuthathwa amapicture amahle, just get in touch with Deb3 Events. Also for videography services, Deb3 khona lapho. Sikhulume njalo futhi ngama upcoming lama upcoming also upcoming kudala ngonjani. Established artists. Deb3 Events has a studio and sound engineering services. Services akhona unalawo kurecorda ukuthi amabizo angikhona labo engineering, but khona lokho whenever you want to create quality music and quality content, just get in touch with Deb3.
Yeah, get in touch with Deb3. Uzotshengisa italent lakho.
Speaking of talent.
Hayi Karinda, ani mina nyamaketa.
So guys, we saw the headline. I think abanengi sibonile headline yokuthi uTalent has been arrested for ukuthathela umuntu business person khona lapha koBulawayo CBD uthethe $150 stolen. Ngisaba ukuthi untshontshile ngoba
anti Karisi ukutha
ibele untshontshile.
Anti usase accused phela Karisi. Anti usase suspect Karisi ikhoti phela anti ayikamdaba.
So akabi guilty.
Hayi vele izilonga zengakhona.
So celebrity labantu bakithi elihlala li
celebrity lenu mina ngikho khona.
Ikontenga ntshontshile celebrity labantu elihlala li interviewer kuma radio la kuma podcast la ngaphi. He has been arrested. Mina ngathi ngikhuluma kwathiwa ngumuntu omubi ukuthi umuntu ogula ingqondo kumele ahanjiswe engutsheni, not ukuthi aphiwe spotlight kube nganthwa siyancuma i-lifestyle yakhe. Ngakhuluma but kwathiwa mina ngikhulunyiswa my isatha ngeke okhulume lapha. But it's an unfortunate incident. But mina I think abantu indlela esimphethe ngayo talent ayindlela engekho right. We are not helping him. by encouraging him esenza konke khona kabekwenza ukugada izimota zabantu. Not everyone likes that. I've seen people behleka beshuta i-content nxa esegada imoto yomuntu omunye umuntu uyabe ngakufuni konke but aswele ukuthi ayenzeni ngoba everyone seems to be supporting him esenza khona lokho akwenzayo. So we are not helping him nxa simkhuthaza ukuthi abesenza njalo. Ngaye ngakhuluma futhi ngokuthi utalent uyaharasa abantu abangomama. I'm also his victim, but it's ngangani umuntu ongayisuyi. So nxa simkhuthaza sithulisa abantu abakhuluma ukuthi hayi mina kulento ayenza engamphathanga kuhle siyabathethisa. We are not helping talent. Ngikhulumela laba bathi bayamthanda utalent babona i-bright future. You are not helping him nxa umkhuthaza esenza into engayisiyo.
Yeah, khona I think yikuthi nje indlela zethu zokubona izinto zehlukene anti. But mina I feel like kufana lo mntwana lwana okhula engakhuzwa la. Then thina sesiba lengqondo yokuthi siyamthanda. Asimthanda umntwana lo. Because kuzaba lesikhathi sokuthi mina njayele ukumlwela angikho. For example, ngesikhathi sikhuluma ngendaba ya talent wonke umuntu wachinga anti. But bangaki kusasa bazahamba ecourt bathi sizolalela kuphela ukuthi kuthwani ngotalent bathi ayisizomncedisa
anti.
So kare sebedinga the next person oyabe bhota estradeni and then sebeshoot i-content. Then mina I think futhi ama companies ukuthi anti mina la mali so umuntu le company has every right yokwenza yena akufunayo and but silama artist kobulawayo asebenza nzima kakhulu and abachona day and night beshoot i-content be-edit ama-video lawana be-poster and into abayidingayo kuphela ngokuzimadlana okuncane lama-companies aba-endosayo ukwenza ukuthi talent labo liqhubeke lisiya phambili and but thina sabe si-investa kubani ku-talent because ngingapost utalent kuyahle kube le 14,000 likes and but I mean, kungisebenzeli lokhana mina
kungisebenzeli. And also Leslie, speaking on the issue of talent, I was actually opening i-article yankhona la. Utalent urobe umama kuthani popular Bulawayo social media celebrity Talent Moyo is in hot water after he was dragged to court for allegedly robbing a woman of $150 along the busy 6th Avenue corridor. So now umama lo tshontshelweyo imali yakhe leya uthola ukuthi that's all that she had because utalent ngesikhathi sikhuluma ukuthi nxa ekuthi uyagula ingqondo kahamba yelatshwa abanye abantu bathi chiyanani lo talent omunye umuntu userojiwe. You get it?
Yeah.
So and nxa ukhangela uzakhangela ama comments uzathola ukuthi kulabanye abantu abayihlekelela into ena le and imali le it was not recovered.
And kulabanye abathethisa umajontshelo ukuthola manga
imali yomntu ongumama labantwana endlini imali kade sisikhuluma izikolo sandi kuvula abantwana babhadala ifees ezindlini kufuneka ukudla endlini and utalent usayithethe imali yana isatholakala yabo sebe sikhuluma ngento ezinjengazena lezi. And also speaking of issue yokusupporta hard working people who are more deserving. Khathesi umuntu uyabe omunye umuntu doesn't even need your money. Omunye umuntu just need ama likes.
Kuphela yeah.
Sharing, reposting, you don't do that. But kungakhulunywa ngotalent yikho lapho qina khona.
Mina I think engxenye ingqondo zami ezimfitshane but I think I process yona leyi ukuthi talent akahambe ku rehabilitation and the fact yokuthi yenzakale ngokungafuni kwakhe I just think and hope kuzamsiza because angahamba ku correctional service and I save the sentence that is if nxa bemthola ukuthi guilt and uzaqalisa ukuncediseka phela ngale in a professional way ekhatshana labantu because utalent ubengasaguli thina ithe kade sesimgulisa because even angangena etown no right efuna kuba right thina ithe simnika iveve lokuthi talent yenza njalo talent so even yena efuna ukusila ubengasoza sile because yithi thina ekade sesimphambanisa but ngalo uzaba ku space yokuthi uzaba rehabilitated kuhle angena ku process yona leyana then he might also learn a skill you never know sengaphume ngocarpenter sengaphume ngowelder or
Abamfuna
something
abe-carpenter.
and
We
then
don't want him to be a carpenter.
abaze or something and abengcono ephenduka kanti kuyasokungcono then into le iba buhlungu kakhulu ma usukhangela nawo i-comparison and ukuthi we have guys like Sipho Mesent like doing good. Blessed also deals uyapusha and ama-companies amaningi anti kuSamrio uyapusha khathesi is it Bola Bet uyapusha and then Ndori kunengi imall lentsha le sengikhohliwe ibizwa and then Blessed also deals ibisithi guys umsebenzi wenziwa ngumuntu lo omuhle lo because umsebenzi wenziwa ngumuntu lo omuhle sicela kuphela ukuthi kube labantu abangu 10,000 abazafollowa ipage lethu le Blessed Auto Deals sinike uSipho imoto la karesi kakayiphi just 10,000
So guys
10,000
please guys, let's get 10,000 likes, 10,000 likes and not following.
Followers, and
let's
it's
follow
followers.
Blessed Auto Deals. Let's get 10,000 likes so that our very own Sipho, guys, our very own. I think he deserves it.
No, it deserves
He
more
deserves
actually.
it.
We are pusher.
He's a hard worker.
Yeah.
He really pushes and we are push Bulawayo through social media, through content creation. So let's do that for him. It's the least that we can do.
10,000 kuphela.
Yes.
Do you know ukuthi kunga cross umuntu enqunu ka res la itown. 6 million katezi. Okunyoka lokho okayathola kaya ngale banki. Ngathi vele ngene etown vele wasona ngo 15 million.
Yabona lesi ngabe abantu abasoze bangijaja bengizampozela nginqunu ngimtholela ama 10,000 likes.
Uthi for Sipho uthi ule bhakane le Blessed also deals
Yes.
for Sipho.
I was going to do that but hey ga abantu bakobulayo nyakwasilisa ngijaja.
But I think into enhle when we have more companies that are saying these guys are working hard and asibahlonipheni because mathola kwezindawo so uSipho ngabe balezindlu ama upstairs ngabe usharp so uyabona anti angisho ukuthi kakho sharp but kulelinye level esabe silifisa so ukuthi ngaba ama content creators not only him banenga nisoze mbaqamba abaphusha out yabobona ziyaphusha izingomnikazi wempuphu lezi but akula like esabe sibenzela khona so finally silo muntu wethu lathi othi alright semfuna ukuqala ngoSipho uSipho umsebenzi wakho siyabo semfuna unika imoto ngicela kuphela abantu abangu 10,000 because laphana do you know uthini uthi ngicela abantu abakobulawa abangu 10,000 bavumelane lami.
Yeah.
That's all that is saying. Ngicela livumelane lami ukuthi ninike uSipho imoto and siyala sithi never.
Let's no, let's do that.
Hayi ngiyacela bakithi 10,000 kuphela.
Only 10,000 likes.
10,000 singafollowa singu 10,000.
So that uSipho ayithole. Mina lami ngiyabe sengithola icustomer eCarwash.
eCarwash mina uyangigadisa.
Once he gets a car, I know ukuthi imoto izabe sigeza eRoyal Shine.
Mina njengamve uSipho uzandrivisa vele.
So moving on to the next issue esibonileo sibone I hate saying this, I hate this term, but that's what we saw on social media. Umthakathi enkulumani.
Umthakathi sibile enkulumani simkhangele enkulumani yethu duze office khona sihlolela wena
Dinga kibo khona ngale sokuthi
uyile uhambe wrong manje Naash ambonisa
cela lishite
ungakhanga uzani wena mwana khokhona
zokobhoza mntwana
awukhase wrong lo muntu
ushevele uyathakatha
umhlathu wakhe
chisani lento lebogogo ma
kuyale thaya wena sithesa lo muntu
Mlombuzo angiyali ukuthi ngumthakathi ukuthi ngicine kuphela bembamba so ngisafisa ukuthi ngabe ngiyalandelisela ngizwe ukuthi kuphele njani what and umbuzo wami ukuthi indaba sithi umthakathi
It's from lapha sengikhuluma from the video, from the pictures, from what we saw on social media. Umuntu omdala lwana osekhulile. Ugogo sekhulile and ube ngaqokanga. So ugogo engaqokanga kuthiwa uwele eyadini yomuntu at around 4 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. So that belief yokuthi abathakathi bahambe ebusuku, abathakathi banqunu, and that stigma esesijayela ukuba khona, i-perception lana ejayela ukuba khona ukuthi umuntu ogugileyo vele kukaningi
umthakathi.
Yabo. So kuhlangene zena lezi zinto.
Ya mina phela ukuthi mina anti ngidala nti. Ngiyabe ngizama ukukuzwisisa okuyizinto kwakhona ukuthi do you literally walk out of your house kumbe ngumoya ophumayo like kwenzakala njani kanti okuyizinto kokuloya lokho because nxa usiwa nxa kuthiwa uwile nti into yakhona kade ihamba ngayo niqhubeke ipapa kumbe bebemkerejile.
No, it's a very confusing but serious issue.
Yeah.
Ngoba it brings us to many questions. Ekuthini, is witchcraft real? One. Are we looking at an issue of mental health?
Yeah,
Two.
possible.
Are we talking about sleep disorders? Three. Yabo. So because you were not there and you are relying on social media, because right before I came here, kulabanye abantu engingakhuluma labo about this issue. Ngisithi khona mina, what if njoba engumuntu osekhulile, one, it can be an issue yokuthi maybe umuntu lo was sleepwalking, or it can be an issue yokuthi maybe umuntu lo has dementia or something. Now, which also confusion sibuya lapha ekuthini, from the looks of it, but that's unverified news, from the looks of it, bathe sebembuza wathi uthebe singu4 abanye bambanjile. Now, okay, okudismissa issue yokuthi she was sleepwalking ukuthi asomuntu ohlala la.
Oh, so local. Hey.
Yebo. So it's very confusing. If it is true ukuthi she's not local, then it's confusing. If it's true ukuthi bathe besithi uthe abanye bakhe bamchiyile, it becomes even more confusing.
Because mina okunto lokho kuyangiconfuse. Look, I think maybe kumele ngene lethu umuntu ezinatha lo mfundisi. No, because this is not the first time usizwa kuthiwa kuwe umuntu.
Let me tell you something. Any problem ekhona ukuthi I think the best thing that you can do is ukuthi nxa kule issue enjalo ube khona.
Yeah.
Because this Zinatha and the mfundisi guys balama interests abo. Balama narratives abo that they are pushing. Yabo. So owezinatha uzabe ufuna ukuthi kukhanye ukuthi kulama spirits, kulabathakathi, kulezinyanga kukhona. Umfundisi la uzabe ufuna ukuthi lawe ubone ukuthi the devil
believe in the anointing.
It's there. So uzabe ungasakwazi ukuthi okuyikho ikuphi.
Ngoba genuinely mina kuyangiconfuse maybe ngenxa ukuthi mina nzake ndloye. So ngiyabe ngizibuza ukuthi bakwenza njani? Uyaphuma sibile endlini uthatha umthanyelo besithanyela ngayo emini kumbe kulomunye umthanyelo, then uwanjani? Hayi bakithi ngicela insize bayi. Do you know what ngibe lo mnyama because kuthe kuphuma benseharara. So bemfuna genuinely bemfuna ukuhamba, bemfuna sibili ukuhamba lamapolisa because bemfuna ukuthi nizwisise and bemfuka ubona ukuthi kuhamba njani, kuverifywa njani ukuthi ngumthakathi, kuyafonela izihlobo, kuyadingakala. I think it's something that we can follow up on ukuthi uvele ngapi, ulabantwana, what's happening.
Any problem esilayo ngutshele Leslie, any problem esilayo ngiyokuthi when such things happen, abantu babe sebemhlukumezile umuntu lwana ukuthi la kukhulumayo ukukhuluma under duress ngoba umphakathi usumgcwalele akagqokanga and nxambone kahle ube bleed emakhaleni or something kumbe umlomo, I don't know, kumbe kuwa Yabo. So la nxa umuntu esekhuluma into nxa kuthi khuluma what omunye la ngale abazonda abathakathi sebethwele lemvubu sebefuna lokuchaya anje ukuthi umuntu la nxa esezi expressa akazi express ngendlela ukuthi akhuluma into eyiyo acace usekhuluma ethukile you know too much pressure and everything and we're talking of umuntu omdala. So part of me wishes ukuthi ama witchcraft allegations are not true, because we have also seen abantu abalama problems, mental health problems, be accused of such things. Yes. And kule into ezabantu abamnyama esingayivumiyo ukuthi people can sleepwalk. People can sleepwalk. So kuyachiyana ama levels. Omunye ungusleepwalker afike lapha, omunye ngophumayo sibila zaphume yadinqa abantu bengambona ngaphuma hambi. Yabo. So ucina ungasakwazi ukuthi omunye engxenye uthola ukuthi ugogo bese ukukhula sezigulela ingqondo usewumani. Now the question also ukuthi why kade ngaqhokanga? Guys kuyachisa, siyakwanisa ukulala singaqhokanga. Kuyachisa. Uyabo.
Yeah, khona no kuyangiconfuse because nzama ukuweka angikwazi kakhulu ngento zabathakathi, so kusuka kungiconfuse because I don't understand ukuthi ngumoya wami ophuma uyeloya kumbe ngiyaphuma mina sibili nginqunu.
Uyaphuma Leslie loya.
Nxa kuyikuthi umuntu uyaphuma sibili nje soyeloya akula abathakathi. Akula.
What do you mean?
Uyakatana.
Ibroom phela lomthanyeli.
Lokana ngamanga lokho.
You know what? In this world of social media where almost everything is captured. And abantu abalali, people are going out and about and everything. Kuswelakale lo yiwani oshutayo umthakathi esithi hwi.
Kumbe nje ubekwazi ukuthi everyday nxa ngiqoqoda endlini ugogo yabengekho.
Amayadi abantu these days abantu emayadi nabo they put cameras, town le kugcwele ama cameras
ngumzimba ogcwele so sefilo ukumthola ilanga ebuya engena eloya ephuma.
Not even one picture ekhona kumbe one CCTV ekhona
engena eloya ephuma.
Umuntu ephapha sithi
edlule sithi ayi phela anti nxa ebuya ngomzimba wakani. So it means nxa isizoloya ngikhaya kule CCTV. It means belinda phela lapha ngebroom zambona lapha.
Khona okwaba le video I think it was essay.
Elenda.
Hayi but lona wayezihambela wafika wayenza kwenzayo waqeda lapha waphuma igede wahamba. Mina I'm talking of these people abaphapha ukuthi out of ama CCTV cameras wonke lawo esilawo elizweni, not even one camera captured.
Embona nje sithi
you know, because if it's something that is there, something that can be seen with your own physical eye, which uthi le camera ngaku-capture phela.
Guys, mina ngi-ignorant, ngicela usizo. Honestly, I'm ignorant when it comes to this. I'm so confused. Nxa bekhona benkulumani bakithi abahambayo kusini and aba-follower up more bahamba sibe bayefika emapholiseni ba-verifya sibile qinisweni ukuthi ngumthakathi and bephapha. Ngicela linisize bakithi. Hayi mina ngi-confused.
Bambuza phela wasesithi.
Ukubuza lokho do you know what mina Karesi khathesi wena kona kulento yokuthi ungambuza Karesi because ngiyakwazi ukucithelwa ngutshela manga. Nguphendule into oyifunayo ukuthi ungantshayi. And Karesi so maybe nitholakale mina nisendlini yomuntu ukuthi ulisela. Mbona abantu laba ngayala bantshaba ambulala nyathi lisela ngiyaxolisa benzotshontsha. Nizafika mvuma maybe emapholiseni lapha na bengatshontshe benilanda i-girlfriend or something. And but nxa usuchaya la uyakhuluma loba yini ukuthi abantu laba bangabona ngathi uyabadelela. But ayinto le mina ngifuna usizo like genuinely ngiyacela ngicela inisize comment section ukuhamba njani kanti into zabathakathi lezi.
And also another question yokuthi if it's a mental health issue and umuntu lo uhambile engaqhokanga, not embarrassed engelandaba lokuthi kaqhokanga, but then usebanjiwe. She now wants to cover up.
Aprepare ngokulilokhu zeno.
Isikhathi sonke ubengakhavanga
When-
akwani. Engabanjwe bezihambele.
No, mina Karezi nxa uya kube lo muntu ogulayo endlini andi. Umuntu ogulayo uya kulezi izinto azenzayo andi. But ungamtshela ukuthi hey yenza so, uyayenza.
Okay.
Nxa wena usumtshelile. Nxa wena ungakamtsheli umbukele so yakwanisa ukuqhubeka esenza into ayenzayo andi. But ungathi hey yenza so. Then I think ngidinga usizo futhi khonapho no. Kokuliqhele lokho yakade kuphiwa. Akula yini mebhokuza ingubo emapholiseni because ngumthakathi andi. Esetholwe ngumphakathi andi. But anti kuthiwa guilty innocent till proven guilty andi. So engumthakathi enjalo ngesikhathi khonapho kusaya investigate anti kumele athole some form of protection andi. Bekuright yini indlela akade lokho ebhoda ngayo enqunu lamapholisa sefikile. Akula yini ingubo even lezana bahamba lazo
Amapholisa I think ingubo lezana nje bahamba lazo maybe
Kuma accident,
I think lapha nabengiyela. Now because abantu bese besithi lo ngumthakathi akulo kade efisa ukumnika
avele ebantwini obvious so lami nginza so umthathi ingubo ngisho nje ukuthi like aphombe kuvala because imagine sokube njalo then sesithola ukuthi asomthakathi.
Amapholisa let's be real, Leslie. Amapholisa lapha do you know ukuthi they can harass you after harassing you bakuthola ukuthi innocent. Yeah, sorry wangu.
Kari wayo change language.
Chethi no
So ngizakula amapholisa esintwini Why usina uthutha yemfana nguyese
so the same applies in this case. Ukuthi nxa sokutholakala ukuthi ayisuye gogo khathi
msazodaro nayi
kumele ukhulume phela lawe ukuthi
ngiyakhuluma sikabani awuzange ujahwa echinga so ngefoni so ethi wangikhangele nomthakathi ngoba record wangikhangele khangela le uvela ngapho wena but into kuphela mina enyabe ngikhangela nje ukuthi enxa engumthakathi andi I think uya deserve khonkana andi but inyabe kuphela ngizibuza ukuthi right nxa phambili singathola ukuthi maybe bekulokunye kasomthakathi kusuka nje kube buhlungu nje ukuphila ngikwazi ukuthi ugogo wami lwana ogulayo ingqondo nguye wasuka emagwegwe ngenyawo wanyamalala then wathi fe enkulumane bambamba uthi umthakathi.
The painful part about this list is that Khathesi usetrendile ngevideo yakhe lana ugogo kube sokutholakala ukuthi asuye emthakathi ukuthi asuye emthakathi video is not going
to izibone
so lapha hlala khona
umthakathi
that title will stick forever and into ebuhlungu futhi is ahlala labo they are going to face the same problem yokuthi sokusaziwa ukuthi ugogo wabo kumbunina uyaloya.
Imagine thenga imoto last month
kulomthakathi. Imagine uSipho sephiwe imoto iblessed auto deals. Kuyahle ukuthi hayi vele akumangalisi.
Ugogo kasiphuba nje uNkulunkulu.
Uyayibona indaba. So
kuthiwe vele besazi limbone labona ngawo umuntu vele besikwazi vele labona ngawo uthi wena kwaphomba uthi abantu abangu 10,000 kwaphomba uthi folo umuntu sephi imoto yibuthakathi ugogo kumlungisile umphekile uSipho umphekile.
Uyabo so anyway isikhathi akusitshele ku art sector yethu.
No, bengiseHarare. I was in Mitambo Arts Festival, representing Enkundleni, representing arts, and also as a comedian. Interesting. Ngakuta pheli official opening par Mbuzile, ibi massive. Then there was a play from SA, Sonja, I think. Uevale Festival. It was nice. Zandezi, there's a play from Zimbabwe. I think it's still 8 years. Irana. It's a 2-man play. 8 years Irana non-stop. and they want to do 150 shows. So Zandezi is still growing, and kuyachaza nansi into engichaze kakhulu ngemitambo festival. And bengisithi nxa ngisase town ngisadla endaweni zami ezithengisa ukudla okudula bengisizwa ukuthi ngiseyarara. But bengisithi ngingafika eRaps Theatre bekutshintsha so. Indlela abantwana labanawethu labo bhuti bethu abangapha koBulawayo abasirepresenta ngayo kwezinye indawo ezokuchaza so. From ama volunteers egedini ngabantu banga to ama performers phakathi and to abantu abancedisayo ukurun izinto kwampana like I'm saying uZandezi is performed by Kendrick Msongelo lo Ronald Skate. Ngabantu bakhona Kendrick ufunde eGifford, uRonald ufunde eMsitheli. Then they went there bese starta eZimbabwe Theatre Academy. And bafika badabula bahle babagcina kodwa ale.
Welcome to Benaya Foods, your trusted supermarket where quality meets affordability. From everyday essentials to beauty products, we have got you everything you need under one roof. But that's not all. We take pride in producing our own high-quality mealie meal and nutritious soya beans, ensuring you get the best straight from us to your table. With great prices, friendly service, and a commitment to excellence, shopping has never been this easy. Step in today and experience convenience like never before. Benaya Foods, the Royal Pantry.
Westoneni ngabuyele kibo. But kuyabe kulabaya abantwana manje ababe behambe ngale bafika basipana sibile ukuzwayo ukuthi nxa wena uchinga usithi lo ngabuyele kibo yena uyabengazizwa ukuthi kanti ubharelo uthini. Ngapha thina siyasebenza. So mina kumvula ingqondo so ukuthi I think ungaqalisa ukusebenza so kulezi izinto oyehlule ukuzikhuluma because uyangena endaweni okuthiwa zingeneki ufika utake off. And sibili because labo ngale abantu bangase bengaqalisa ukujinga ukuthi laba babuyele kibo because they have taken over like every production. Then also I level of support yinto engazake ngibone ngaye, and I'm going to say this. Kulabantu abakhulu kakhulu abalama award amaningi asebenza ama project amaningi anje amakhulu sibili abantu bengacabangela ukubabona but embabone bepaka imoto besizobukela uZandezi. Then nga ungayenza iplay nga antu uZandezi uyabuya koBulawayo ngizahamba lawa kulokuyi celebrity syndrome so ukuthi umuntu ngokuyina okuye local award okuyi1 vele akasatholakala ezintweni akasekho vele vele then yena angayenza okuyi project kwakho okufeature ali support so, ngale like bebebuya so abadala so lapha there's this guy wa actor ku Connery Show. I don't know whether it's Andy or Sandy ngalikhohle ibizo. But bakhona and ngama legends lawana. But bakhona and even after the show yinto engihambule kakhulu. Ishow ithe iphela ku theater anti siyapota ngale sechange. Those guys had to wait. Ukuthi Ronald baqale baphume base besithi guys well done. But abantu abakhulu manje sikhangelekile and bamile uJakhile lento eziningi ubengasuka aphomba ukuhamba but they had to wait labo Dokvikela. They stood there, waited for those guys. Baphuma kodwa no akulo kuningi sifupho ngulitshela ukuthi hayi no into yenu lani inhle le hayi sesikhamba. Lokhana mina I think ukungichazile but above all festival ibimnandi, we enjoyed, we killed comedy as usual. It was interesting. I sit double bekule white audience shaso elinyikiwa so la qasa ukuvibrate.
Speaking of such people, I know of a local artist but asomntu omdala kakhulu who is always there for other artists, ama shows and stuff. Guys, Umzo7.
Yeah.
Umzo7 uyahambela abantu.
Yeah, true.
That guy uyahambela abantu and nxa ebuyile akala bu celebrity syndrome. He just mixes and mingles. Everyone he watches the show is yephela. That guy is always there.
Yeah.
Abanye.
No, kulobukhulu so sisuka sibe labo so kulobukhulu ukuthi singahyphana singu19 emagwegwanti kuthi alesiloyabuya bulala wena ngecomedy ngabangani mama abangu19 abangela senti njengamanje Ansakwanisa ukuyabukela uFrank, ansakwanisa ukuyabukela. Alright, outside comedy, ansakwanisa ukuyabukela itheater, ansakwanisa ukuyabukela music because nizadinga uku-MC one day ishow kaMzo 7. But I've never watched uMzo 7 on stage and so nizabakwazi njani alright ngizahamba mina eBeswaziland ngiyeperform ufike ukuthi asokuhamba njani ku-art yakobulawayo ngiyahlala ngikhala kuphela support but wena ukho like asikuboni awukho then Karisa because anti siya freelance sesile ngikuthi eziningi abanye barana ama podcast abanye labana ama activist what and but akakwazi ngisho iartist eli one besides abangani bakhe and yibo kuthiwa thina sikhulumela ama artists mina lingangikhulumela sikhulumela ngikhulumeli vengi right nje khulumela nama artists ungawazi ama artists akhona wakhulumela komba Antoni ukhulumela ama artists ukukhulumela umhlobo oyi1 qamba ama comedian angu3 ama theater artists angu3 ama filmmakers angu3 kuphela 3 ama writers angu3 kuhle kuthule vele uhlibone semangele so
now kuthiwa things for artists vele ama writers vele they are not even there. I'm not talking of novelists only, I'm talking of even film writers. You know asikho vele
and abantu labana yibo ngelilanga nxa inama sinanzelela imisebenzi kaLeslie land inama yasisithi Leslie sewini inama kumbe BAA local khona a best comedian General Leslie nguye umuntu oqala ukutweet ukuthi ubesenzani asibo wathi angiyibonanga imisebenzi yakhe asibonanga asikwazi lokuthi ubesenzani baroba alright sile 50 dates at Bulawayo Theatre. I've got 50 dates at Bulawayo Theatre. But let's come and watch beautiful plays. Like I'm saying, Menos Antol, ngabona ungamboni wena ngongekho. So it's going to be interesting. Ngingakakhohlwa album launch ekaKhwabarati. Album launch Khwabarati prior doing big bro. Esibengikhangela so indlela emarketwa ngayo. And ngikhetha ukuthi esidudla eBhawa elokishini eKasi enjulu eBhawa so wonke umuntu so I don't want to caress ethatha talent la kanti selibisela lapha eliqalisele khona. That's a beautiful thing bro. Let's keep doing that. Intwasa Arts Festival is around the corner. Music festival eMakhokhoba kabe kulabo Godolide kabe kulobo umxolisi like a lot is happening guys anti so dinga kuphela ukuthi kwenzakala ngaphi like I'm saying kule ntwasa kule 50 dates eBulawayo Theatre ama tickets are all over kule album launch ekaKhwabarati asikholise. There is also the roast of Utopi bese ngikhohle njani proudly brought to you by Mahlekisa roast of Simon Mambazo Phiri celebrate i50 years zakhe sizabe simkhanzinga Utopi havela soze simzwele iline up massive kulabo Javas kulabo Bongani angikho angikho but kabe kumnandi above all kabe kumnandi umngane wami nguyabe ngu-roast master uNtando Van Moyo so it's going to be interesting ama panelist akhona kumnandi so okunye lami nizabe nilixoxela nje as we go but for now I think that's all that I have.
I think you're doing well.
I'll tell my
anyway,
mom.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3, your trusted partner when it comes to events and media solutions. Sibonge kakhulu ukuba lathi namhlanje. Please do comment. Sifuna ukuzwa ama comments enu. Today my best topic umthakathi enkulumane. I want to hear what you say ngendaba leyi esikhulume ngayo ukuthi ibuthakathi, mental health, ngama sleeping disorders, what is it exactly? And nxa ubeliever entweni zobuthakathi sitshela ukuthi why what have you experienced? Tell us in your comments. We are very very excited to be hearing from you. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi you guys have always been there since we started and labanye abasijoine endleleni kade stimela sesendleleni. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do subscribe and share. Like I always say every day, ukuthi ungakholisi weda, share with others ukuthi labo babone labo basubscribe ku Enkundleni exclusive. Stella, please do also follow Enkundleni kuma platforms Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, ikona Deb3 events. Also follow us Tina ama hosts Anondu Ncube across all platforms, General Leslie across all platforms. Please do follow and let's engage.
Mina mfuna ukuyivala ngokuthi bakithi let's flood epagini lika Sipho Mesent. Let's go to Blessed Auto Deals. Blessed Auto Deals. Ngicela ukuthi kusasa kuseyaphuma ilanga i10,000 lizana zikhona sipho mawusu seyathatha imoto lo class 2 bra I can help. I can help mngani wami.
Right, before producer engayivali, please also let me remind you ukuthi izimoto ziyageza Royal Shine Car
Yes,
Wash
yes.
along 4th Street between Connaught and Masocha Avenue. Akhona njalo ama novels akho yakwanisa ukwathenga khona ngale car wash. Isihlalo sika baba buchitheka bugawe umhlaba ungihlanekele akhona ama novels ayathengisa khona ngale.
Yes, 10,000 followers for Sipho. Kuphela we are done.
Bakithi
Blessed Auto Deals. Ta 10,000 then we are done.
Just
Ikama
follow,
ushira
just
Les.
like.
Yeah, kama ushira Leslie hamba lo nontutuzo ncube okwakhathi sisalibona singalikhangela.